So the May 2018 AS paper question 5, all about logs, this one. So students attempts to solve the equation 2 log base 2x minus log base 2 root x equals 3 is shown below. So it's got a few explanations of what they think they've been doing here. Part A identified 2 errors made by this student, giving a brief explanation of each. Now there's quite a few little errors that we can see in here. The first one that we can see quite simply is going on the first line to the second line. Okay, and the first one, so for part A, is the 2 at the front of 2 log base 2x should have been moved, or should have been raised to the power before combining the logs. So that's our first mistake. And the second mistake that I can see quite straightforwardly is going along down here. And so that is to say that from this line, x is going to be 2 cubed, not 3 squared. And so those are my 2 errors that I've identified there. Part B, write out the correct solution. So our equation is going to be 2 log base 2x minus log root x equals 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the 2 to the power. So log base 2x squared minus log base 2x to the half is equal to 3. Now because we've got logs with the same base and no numbers in front, we can combine those two logs. Log base 2 of x squared over x to the half is equal to 3. And so we can simplify that to be log base 2x to the 3 over 2 is equal to 3. And so from there, what we can do is we've got a log on the left-hand side. We don't have a log on the right-hand side, so we need to write 3 in terms of log base 2. So we've got log base 2 of x to the 3 over 2 is equal to log base 2 of 8. Because 3 is the same as log base 2 of 8, I always think of the answer to the log being the missing number between the 2 and the 8. If you have to have a power, 2 to the power of what is 8 is 3, so that's why 3 is log base 2 of 8. So now we have a single log with the same base on both sides. We can unlog it, and we're left with x to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to 8. So if we've got 3 to the power of 2, what we can do is we can square both sides, which leaves us with x cubed is equal to 64, cube root both sides, and x is equal to 4 for our final answer.